Good morning, ma. Welcome to All for Online Education. Commerce theory part for the first year's English medium. The chapter that we are dealing with, that is the 10th chapter, micro, small and medium enterprises. Micro means it is very small, and small means it is a small. You know that medium means it is between the small and large. Yes. So in this session we are going to study about the definition of the enterprise and the MSME, and also the classification of enterprises, and about the investment and existing MSME classification, annual turnover from 1st July 2020 revised MSME classification, registration requirement under MSME Act 2006. These things we are going to study in this session. In the first session we are going to cover these topics. So the first definition of the enterprise and MSME is, in accordance with the provision of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise Development Act 2002. Okay, what will be the act here? Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Development Act 2006. The micro, small and medium enterprises are defined as follows. So with which act these type of enterprises got started, means these type of enterprises has been got started with the micro, small and medium enterprises Development Act 2002. So let us see the definition. Manufacturing enterprises are those business enterprises which are engaged means involved in manufacturing or production of goods or commodities. So manufacturing enterprises means those enterprises which are engaged in, means which are involved in manufacturing or production, of goods or commodities, So those type of enterprises are known as production enterprises or manufacturing enterprises. Yes, the enterprises involved in providing or rendering of services are known as service enterprises. So which enterprises are known as service enterprises means which is providing or rendering, means giving services. Okay, the enterprises which are providing or giving services, those enterprises are known as service enterprises. The enterprises which are engaged in production of goods or commodities, those are known as production enterprises or manufacturing enterprises. So now the classification of enterprises. The enterprises are broadly classified into 5 categories. First is sole proprietorship. Second is joint undivided families, means joint Hindu families. Association of persons, okay, just like a partnership, cooperative societies, okay, partnership undertakings. So these all things we have discussed in our previous sessions. Yes, everything we have discussed, everything regarding the each and every type of enterprise and its features, characteristics, advantages, disadvantages, and also we shown the differences at a time. So we have discussed these all things in our previous sessions. So here we have the investment and existing MSME classification annual turnover. So what should be the annual turnover of MSME, that is existing MSME classification? Annual turnover is given here. Let us focus on it once. Manufacturing enterprises means the enterprises which are providing goods or commodities, those enterprises are known as manufacturing enterprises. So here the micro enterprise, investment less than rupees 25 lakhs. So these enterprise should have the investment less than 25 rupees 25 lakhs. Okay. So for the small enterprise, it should be less than 5 crores. Okay. Less than 5 crores. And for the medium enterprise, it should be less than 10 crores. Okay. This is for the manufacturing enterprises, their investment. Then focus on the service enterprises. Investment less than 10 lakhs. So the investment should not exceed the 10 lakhs. So at least the investment is less than 10 lakhs. Here the investment in case of small enterprises, it should be less than 2 crores. Okay. For the medium enterprises, it should be less than 5 crores. So this is the investment and existing MSME classification, their annual turnover. Okay. So these are the investment limits. Let us see for July 1st to July 2020, means in our new academic year, what will be the MSME classification they have given. From 1st to July 2020 onwards, classification of manufacturing enterprises, investment less than 1 crore. Okay, investment should be less than 1 crore, means it has been increased if we compare with the previous one. So small enterprises, it should be less than 10 crores. Again, it has been increased comparing with the previous. Investment less than 50 crores. Wow. See, 50 crores means how much it has been increased, because now the value of the currency is decreased. That's why they have increased the investment. For the service enterprises, the turnover less than 5 crores. It should be less than 5 crores. So for turnover less than 50 crores for the small enterprises and rupees 250 crores less than for medium enterprises. See how much there is a differences, variations comparing with the previous years, and from 1st to July 2020 onwards, what is the investment scale. So this is the differences between the micro, small and medium enterprises. Yes. So let us focus on now about the registration process. Yes. So the registration requirements under MSMED Act 2002. MSMED means Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Development Act 2006. So complete the MSME form first for the registration. In order to get the registration of MSME, the first step is to complete the MSME form. Applications are required. Applications are required to fill all the details. Okay. All the details have to be filled and submit the required documents. So all the application, what are the applications are there, those applications have to be filled, and whatever the documents required for the registration, those documents have to be submitted. Preparation of the documents. So what type of document should the MSME should have to be prepared? Let us focus. The various documents required for registration are business address proof. Okay, business address proof, copy of a sales bill and purchase bill, partnership deed, copy of license and bill of machinery purchased. So these etc. these type of documents should they have to be filed. After that, filing MSME application. Now it's a time to fill the application. Post the documents are prepared and submit to MSME register. Their experts will verify the submitted documents. This procedure requires another 2 working days. Yes. So after getting all the documents prepared, after preparing all the documents of purchasing, bill of machinery purchase, next partnership deed, copy of license. Okay, so whatever address proof, copy of sales bill and purchase bill, after getting all these things documents, we have to submit this document to the registrar, MSME registrar. After the registrar verify it, okay, after the registrar verify it, it will take nearly 2 working days, means 2 working days. 2 working days means what? Not 2 days, 2 working days, government working days. Application, approval and registration. If the documents what we have submitted and what we have filled, if it is approvable, then we got the registration. Once MSME application is approved, company get registered and related documents shall be sent to the company. Okay, once it got the approval, then the company got registered and whatever the necessary documents that is needed to start the company, like a certificate of incorporation, commencement of business, how we have studied in the private company and public company. In the same way, in order to start these, they will send some copies of the documents. Registration criteria. Enterprises in manufacturing or service sector need to have less than rupees 50 crores of investment in plant and machinery. So, whether they are in manufacturing sector, whether they are in service sector, in order to get the registration, they should have less than 50 crores investment in plant and machinery. Then it will be got registered. So, this is about the registration procedure of MSME enterprises development. Okay, so this is the registration process according to the Act 2006. So let us see some other topic in the other session.